Welcome back. In this session we're gonna start with the pie chart. Pie chart, it's like perfect for creating and customizing data because it's gonna represent the data as slices of a circular graph. And each slice gonna represent a part of the whole data. So when you're gonna use pie chart to show the, we can say, percentage with each and every single category in your data, or to compare parts of a data set to the total. I will give you an example. You can use pie chart to display the percentage contribution of each region to a total sales in our example. To do something like that, we have here again our data, month, region, revenue, and sales. But look here, this time we have legend and values instead of x-axis and y-axis that we saw it in the last example. So this time with the legend, I will go and choose the region inside the legend. And as you can see directly, it have a color for each and every region in my data. And here I would like to work with the sales or revenue. It's up to you. So I will go with sales in the values. And directly you can see what is happening here. We can find something like the percentage contribution of each region to the total sales in our company. So we can find, I think South have 30%, which represent the top values here. Then we have one with the dark blue, I think it's North, and etc. with your data. Then if we move to the format your visual, we have here some options. Like legend, it's on and off. You can keep it, but it's like best practice to keep it. Even with the slices, you can control the colors. If you wanted to change this one to any different color, for example, this one. And moreover that we have detail label. You can turn it on and off, depend on your business. The best practice for the pie chart, try to limit the number of slices maximum to 5 or maximum 6. Try to use contrast colors to demonstrate and have better visibility. Ensure the labels and legend are clear and concise. That's how you're gonna create and customize pie chart in Power BI. In the next lesson, we will take this further and learn how to create donut chart. See you there.